Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. See if we can end this week strong. What do you all think? End this week strong. What's up, everyone? Welcome in. Sorry, I was getting my chart set up there. Oh, yes, it is, Corey. It's been a solid week. When I get a chance to check DMs, yeah, I got you, Mandy. Let's see. I'm the worst at checking DMs. On anything but Instagram. I do well on Instagram. I got you though. It's been a good week. How we doing though? Is anyone on here yet that has only traded with me this week? You know, you traded with the 3 to 5 MNQs like we talked about. It'd be cool if you could share, how it went for you for in the chat here for everyone to see. Like, you don't have to have a crazy position size to make money. Small base hits add up quickly. Good morning. Nice, Bill. XRP ETF launched yesterday. Nice. Jeremy, that's perfect. Jeremy says he's made $1,000 in 4 days trading light size 3 to 5 MNQ. And that was exactly around where you should be, Jeremy. I wanted to see, because I did some math from the trades, and if you was trading with me with 3 to 5 MNQ, you should be in that $1,000 profit range, even on your personal. So, just wanted to point that out, put it into perspective for you all. So I'm going to see if I can catch us a trade today. Mandy says, I started trading with you consistently beginning of last week, and I've passed 2 evals trading. Nice. That's awesome. Johnson's up 9K. Speedy, I'm not for sure what you're... Oh, I got you. Trying to remember your name. Whew. Oh. And I've had a crazy week of working out. It's been intense. I'm glad I've made it through it. Tested myself. Jaden talking to me. Let's see what's going on.
Lit.
What's up, Jaden? What's up?
I'm almost out of everything this team. I'm in New York City.
I can't hear you.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
How you doing, man?
Just waiting on the market to open. We got it's opening. Let's do this.
Going. Let's do this. Let's do it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Good morning, everyone. Let's just join the Zoom and all that good stuff. Welcome.
Live from New York City, baby.
I'm just gonna wait. I'm being very patient this morning, Spartan. I don't see nothing I'm crazy about. I'm just gonna read price section here and see if I can get us an entry on trend. That's my game plan right now. A friendly reminder, everyone, if you're trading with me on fundeds or you're just having trouble being profitable, 3 to 5 MNQ is all you need. This week I actually did the math. People traded 3 to 5 MNQ with me all week, and they made it right at 1,000 or over 1,000 off of 3 to 5 MNQ only. So, just putting it into perspective for Team Bull. Yep, it's not a day to trade options. I looked at them earlier. I just looked at them. They're a little juiced.
Good, bring it on. Live from New York City today. Live from the Big Apple.
I'm not for sure, G man. If I'm being honest, I'll keep you updated, man. Okay. You say it's not showing up for you on YouTube when I go live? That's alright. Just show up at 9:30. I'll be here. 9:30. Just show up. I'll be
Premiums
here.
are juice for 0 days. Next goes up. That's just what we get.
What's up, Hobbs? Good morning,
Still got
Miss Skirt. Let's see.
still got price moving down. That's crazy.
I appreciate that, Hobbs.
You got any key levels on watch?
The GOAT trophy. No, not really. At Asia low, I would look for a reject if we push back up, but we're just going straight down. I don't expect to see it. Kind of hoping we didn't confirm this trend before the 15-minute range was in, but I was looking for shorts below that pre-market low. I'm going to give the market a little time, though.
Be patient with it. Be patient with her baby. With her baby. I miss screaming discipline over dopamine at you guys over and over. I'm excited to be back on Monday.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
We got Thanksgiving coming up quick.
I know. Coming quick, my bro. Really quick.
This coffee is good this morning. Got some Fed speakers this morning. 10:05. We have a Fed speaker. Yeah. There's we have a fair value gap. I don't want to take an entry off this candle though. We need at least the next 5-minute candle for me to consider entry. Another 5-minute.
I'm with you. Nothing the first 15 minutes.
I just invalidated that gap I was looking for. Gap entry. Let's see here. Welcome in everyone on TikTok and YouTube. If you haven't already, can you hit the thumbs up and the like? And make sure you follow. I go live every morning. We're on a very nice winning streak. We've been doing really well building discipline on here together. So it's definitely worth a follow, tuning in. If I take a trade, I'll be very clear.
All right, let's see. I got a reject up near like.
Sorry about that, YouTube. I got you. Couldn't see my chart. I got it. Can you see it good now, everyone?
Like 605-ish, kind of by previous day lows, 605, 606. We're just a ways away. With such an aggressive dump, I'd like to see us get a really nice pullback down. Or pullback up, I guess you could say, before following the trend. It's kind of hoping Tesla is going to move like 360, I think, for long-term ads and just for.
If you have any questions, drop them in the chat, please.
365 would be huge.
I'll do my best to get to them.
Huge.
What a candle. Well, we may try that Asia low if we get up there around that 932 for a possible short entry. 900, 930 area. I'm gonna watch it for a possible short. Yeah, I expect we push up some before selling back off.
Bro, what is this? I go to make coffee and I miss 140 point green candle. Sick. It's a dangerous market.
How we doing, YouTube, TikTok? I'm looking for a reject higher up. It's a little early to tell. Let me get a better read on the market. I'm doing my best to get us a nice winning trade to end the week. If it presents itself. How do I determine my stops? Where the trade invalidates is where I put my stop. Whether it's a close or a hard stop, you know. You always want to have a hard stop in, that way it just don't get out of hand if the 5-minute close doesn't happen beforehand. But
I'll watch that with you too, my boy. I'll watch that with you too, my boy.
that's the only thing I see I like.
You've been killing it this week, so.
Dude, last month, we've been on a crazy run. The last 3 weeks at least.
Been going crazy, for sure. Show for show.
What are my thoughts on Robinhood? I mean, it's great for swing trade, leaps, long term, but I mean, you can day trade on it. It's just a little more difficult. I like Robinhood, personally. It's not as much for day trading. It's more of a slower pace, you know. It's a great platform. I've always liked them. Even when people hated it, I'm like, telling you all, they're gonna be huge one day. The stock was like $11 when I said that. Unfortunately, I didn't load load down on them. I did make some money off the shares though. Any questions? What a week! You all better have some steak tonight for sure. If you've been trading with us, you deserve it. You deserve it.
All right, let's see what we get here. See what we can find.
Welcome
Make
in.
some money on the day.
How's the weather this morning? It's nice.
1A plus 7.
Nice cool morning.
Pay for the New York trip.
Lonesome Dove is awesome as always.
One banger to pay for New York. That's all we're looking for. Something light. I'll be back at my desk on Monday. I don't know if y'all been missing me, but I have sure been missing you. Hope to get back to action. It's nice getting away for a bit, but
We got a
I like being in the groove.
couple minutes until this 15-minute range is in, everyone. So.
Big fan of being in the grind.
How's the weather there, David?
I got a pretty sick mobile setup too. Got 3 screens.
All right. Friendly reminder, everyone. If you want to trade funded accounts, go to my website, grizzlytrades.com. Look at Apex and look at Take Profit. 2 of the best in the game. Just use code Grizzly. Decide which one you like better. If you have any questions, you can ask in chat here. We'll do our best to answer. Yeah, just make sure you use code Grizzly, yes. That's how you'll get the discount. All right. Fast, Mason. What do you mean, like how long does it take them to send it, or how quickly can you reach it? You can Apex is the quickest, you know. A lot of times you pass your evals quicker to reach. Well, technically with Take Profit, you know, you can reach a payout day 1 of being funded, but it takes a little longer to pass their evals as opposed to Apex. They're both great, so just read the rules, see what you like. If you get a funded account, is there always a trailing? I mean, you can have end of day drawdown on them, if that's what you're asking. You have to do one at a time on Apex to buy them. That sucks, I know, but just get it done if you're gonna try them, you know. I hate it as well. Can everyone hear me? Give me a yes if you can hear me, see my screen.
Minis, just don't blow yourself up. DoD will get you a payout. DoD
Awesome,
will get
thank
a
you.
lot of payouts, but we see that more and more with our traders. If you're using the DoD method, I guarantee.
All right. Let's see. We're finally pushing up a little closer. Let's get up there. Push up to the Asia low. Let's see what happens. 24,932 is the area I'm watching. I don't use them, Jeremy, so I cannot say. I don't know the rules completely, so. I'm not talking on Discord right now. Jaden's talking.
I'm keeping an eye on 900 right now. Not only a key level, but it's also midway point of a large red candle from yesterday, or rather from early this morning.
Is anyone in a trade?
Oh.
I'm watching for that 932 area, everyone, for a possible short. I will let you all know if I take it.
932 for short, so can we take longs on the way up to 932?
Rip them,
What
man.
is that? We'll just randomly catch along at any point in time and carry all the way up to then.
No trades for me yet. If I take one, I'll be very clear. There'll be no confusion. 3 to 5 M and Q is all you should trade. I know we're looking at the NQ chart, but M and Q is what we'll be trading. I have to look at it once we're done, Travis. It's hard for me to change my chart to check it for zones once I start, because I'm sharing my screen with Team Bull as well on the chart in front of me. So. That's awesome, Speedy. You made top 400? Nice, man. It's impressive. I mean, one sec.
Better not do us dirty though. We're employing the DoD method today. We employ the DoD methodology and system every day.
I'm keeping an eye on some longs here at 890, guys.
That was Green Eyes. That wasn't myself that said that. Why do I like what? The trade, the short? The Asia low. It was current support, but we fell through it. I want to see us come back up, see if it's resistance now. That's what I was looking for.
Really got so close to the Asia low. You hear this Glock?
Oh yeah, I'm here. I'm just focused. Watching this setup. It could confirm off this candle. Or it could be the next, or we may have to flip, you know. I'm just trying to read volume. So far, we're staying up.
Alright, I'm back in longs again. 900 break, I'm in longs. Let's go for that 932, Chris.
Green Eyes tried some longs at 900, but
Give it to us. And we got 25 points already on longs. It's made out fat.
I'm looking for a short entry. I haven't, if I take something, I'll be clear. I'm just reading. I haven't got a read on the market yet. The previous 5-minute candle looked good, but everyone stay disciplined. No forcing trades. I haven't seen a setup yet that was worth taking. Maybe if we retested that, I may have looked for like a orb bounce, but we didn't retest the range. We'd made it to VWAP, but didn't quite get down to the 15-minute range. Volume looks decent. We could climb today. I'm just looking, watching. How's everyone's Friday morning going so far, though? Solid Friday for me. They're talking to me again. I just have to go back and forth. Just trying to focus in. I ain't trying to ignore anyone. I just gotta see if I can catch this trade.
Technically speaking, hour of.
Well, I was talking back to you muted, but I'm still waiting, still watching. Setup's not invalid. The short entry I'm watching, volume's staying up right now, but it could change once we push a little more up into this zone here. So.
Technically speaking, our org setup went up whenever we tested that.
Never tested the range, did it?
Whenever we tested that opening range high.
If we get above that 25,000, we will see pre-market. I really don't see anything stopping us. Asia high, possibly Asia high. There's a massive range between Asia high and this London low right now. Thanks, man. What's up, Bobby? You watching off your phone at work? Have to go back and forth. I'm looking forward to J-Dub being back for sure.
I don't know when it's going to come, Grizzly, but when it does, we're catching the bangers today.
GD, wait, is he talking to me again? Why is my audio keep kicking off?
It'll be like 20 more minutes for me. I'm going to explore New York.
Look at gold.
Playing with the boys today.
I bet they had a. Wait a second. Is GD and Brennan trading live today, or are they not?
Hey, I don't know what they're doing. They're doing something. I don't think that includes trading.
I don't mean to mute people. Sometimes I just have to focus, Like I said, I suck at multitasking. How's the food in New York? You like it?
So good, bro. I honestly like it a lot.
Yeah, I'm still watching for shorts in this area. May not get the entry, but that's what I like here. Still watching.
That's crazy. We've moved up $8 on QQQ in the first 30 minutes today.
What's QQQ at right now?
It's pumping at 605.
Jesus.
What a move.
Nvidia must be strong then. Or is it selling off?
Oh no, it's golden. From 180.5 to 187. $7 move on Nvidia.
This is my level area on QQQ that I wanted to see. We were actually close to that 606. So we'll see if we end up getting a little pullback here.
I just hope when we finally get the candle I'm looking for, it doesn't just push straight down to the 15-minute range high, you know? 1 5-minute candle.
What's that level at? Like 840-ish.
How you feeling about this range, Jay, done the 15-minute? What's your thoughts? You don't like it anymore?
On the 10-minute high bounce?
Yeah, what do you think about it?
I mean, I think it's definitely a possibility. Let me check something real quick. Maybe I'd like to see a bounce a little actually lower than it if we reclaimed at like 800. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm a bit short biased given the recent action and pre-market sell-off, so it's gonna be tough for me to take a long, especially with my mobile setup right now, full conviction.
Hopefully this candle gets a little more volume on it. A little more volume. What happens when you try to zoom in on the chart? Jeez.
Just a reminder, guys, she's DOD. DOD today.
Oh, that's funny,
DOD method.
biker boy. That's hilarious. I see what you're saying now.
I don't like how this candle's making a big wake up for shorts. Let's see if we can get some more selling in it.
Let me postpone your selling so I can go long. Come on. I prefer longs here. We've taken our little pretend dip, now it's time to rocket to the moon. We want that 25,008.
Jesus, so much risk on this candle. Let's see. $62.
Lower volume too. Not not much lower, but technically is a little lower.
Yeah, I can't go short because of volume on that candle. Previous candle. Still like shorts in this area. It's just gotta give me confirmation. So if we had enough volume, this would be our short entry right here. If that previous candle had the volume we was looking for, but it doesn't.
Yeah, I'm not super fond of it either. I mean, I think it could potentially be a lower high, but
Bill Parker says I just got payout number 7 with Apex trading 5 MNQ. I'm telling you, 3 to 5 MNQ does it.
above high day. If you see now where it is invalidated for sure. No deep enough pullback for longs either, for me at least.
Oh. Startled me.
Oops.
Alright, that's what I want to see. Let's watch this candle, see what happens here. I'm watching. Just need to push a little further up in that supply. See if we get confirmation. The Fed speaker, are they still speaking or are they done?
Shorts are starting to get it when we burn this candle.
Yeah, I agree. If this confirms, the only way I can justify taking it is keeping a 5-minute close stop above that 24 at 932. Because there's just too much risk at the top of this candle. $932.5 to be exact. How can I tell if there's too much risk? If you're risking 50 points to catch 20 for a first trim, it's too much risk. Ideally, first trim is around that 1-to-1. I stop where the trade invalidates. If it, ideally I like the 5 minute close to invalidate it unless it just starts getting out of hand, then I'll close it early. All right. I'm gonna try some shorts, everyone. I'm in some M&Q shorts. 3 to 5 is all you need.
Right, peace with you.
Oh. First trim hit there, everyone. 20-point trim. Move your stops to your entry. This is a winning trade regardless. You hear me, everyone? Move your stops to your entry.
That's trim too, bro. Yes, sir. There we go.
There we go.
Here we go.
Second trim filled, everyone. Move your stop loss down into profits.
Let's go.
I'm not one to brag, but that was a sniper entry.
That was nice. That was an absolute heater. Oh, whoops. There we go.
Appreciate
That was
it.
a heater. That was a heater, my boy.
Just took a little patience, huh? It's a little hard for me to read this morning. I didn't know if I was going to get us an entry or not today. But we got it.
Awesome.
My entry was at 931 on that trade.
Let's go. We're spoon fed it. Your team ball. Give the live chat a roll call. You guys make some money on the shorts. Type how much you're getting paid on this beautiful Friday. If y'all
There we
make
go.
some money on the shorts, type what you made. How much y'all make on that trade? 500, 1300, 134, 160, 500, 986, 700, 271, 277, 246, 300, 120. Let's go! Money bags, Busy Block. Money bags. 1146, 1200, 250, 600.
It's been a crazy week with you all. You all should be proud of yourself. I keep saying it. Your execution's been on point. You haven't been forcing trades. I've seen a few of you forcing, but for the most part, yeah, a few of you. But
You're funny, bro. That was awesome. Money bags, I'm sure.
come on, do not get my stop. Keep going down. Break VWAP. My final price target on this trade is at 844. 15-minute range high if we get it. But it's about to hit my stop on my runner, so I'm still in as of now. Oh, I'm out. Trade's over completely. Nice trade, everyone. You didn't hear me call out when I entered shorts. I was very clear. I apologize, though. I'll try to be a little louder.
You killed that grizzly. What do you mean? Loud and clear, baby.
Trade's over. Nice. Would I re-enter? No. Kind of looks like we're trying to flag now, to be honest. Bull flag. Just didn't have enough aggressive selling there to push us below VWAP. But we made our bag down to it.
We made our bag significantly down to it.
You all see anything else you like this morning? Appreciate that. Greenland.
It was blowing.
Still didn't retest that 15-minute range though. You see it? Still didn't get down to it. Yeah, you can, if you're trading NQ or MNQ, you shouldn't have no issues with buying and selling market. Plenty of liquidity, tight spreads. As long as you're not trading like the after hours or whatever, trying to buy market. Or just days with like low volume when we have holidays, stuff like that.
Nope.
No, I don't use hotkeys, Michael. You can, for those that use Tradevate, they have the ATM. You'll see it on your chart. You can set that up. I've got it set up right now where each of my trims come in at like 20 points. I just adjust them how I want once I get in the trade. So if you got 5 MNQs, you can actually set it up where you take, where it sets your price target for each one. Stop loss. When you set your stop loss on your ATM, you it's not going to be exact. You're going to have to adjust it. Just make sure it's close, not right at your entry. So if it wakes up quick or something, it doesn't snag it. That's the only tip I have for that.
Look at that. Yo, y'all are, here's the deal. We made some nice cash today. I want to do another Friday giveaway. Y'all post your gains and game.
It was 9:30. The trade went from 9:30 down to 8:66. I plan on doing a giveaway on Monday, everyone. I was gonna do it today, but we'll just wait till Monday. Oh, we may not be able to get above that 25,000. It could present another short, but I highly don't want to interrupt Jada. Let me see if he's still talking.
Grizzly, we get this reversal and go die.
Yeah, I think we could still reject this. It keeps wicking down, or up rather. But I don't think I'll take another trade today. We've had a crazy trading week, so just gonna hang out for a bit, answer questions if I can.
That was great. Gonna be a ball of chocolate. lots of wicks up and they'll fall through to the downside. Pretty clear uptrend, so we'll see.
Trevor, let's see, Trevor. Nice. That's a good. That's the best way to do it. Put an education before trading. Plenty of time to trade in the future. Jonathan says he's getting approved for a 10K payout this week. Up to 10K. That's awesome. Congrats.
Love to see it.
Libby, you talking about like exit points, like profit, where I take profit? Is that what you mean? Or like, could you elaborate just a little? 40 ticks too high for profit. So 80 ticks is a good first price target on NQ. I feel like to set it up, you can always adjust it for the first price target around that area. That's my thoughts. I feel like there's a big move coming here. Just watching. Just looks like a flag pattern on the 5-minute. Ugly flag, but appreciate that, Team Tampa. I don't think I'll take another trade today. I don't think so. I still like shorts. I never liked longs today, personally. The reasoning behind that trade is just based off price action, basically pushing up into that previous demand that we fell through overnight. Nothing fancy about this trade. Volume was not increasing as we was pushing up either, it was going down. So. What did I use to mark off? Yeah, this is TradingView. And this is my indicator that charts all the levels for us. Makes our life easier. Point of control hasn't changed all day. It's still, or all morning. It's still around that 643. Well, bull flag's playing out. See if it I don't believe we can get above that 25,000. I may be wrong, but we'll see.
Alright, T-Bull. I'm about to mob out of here for the day, but trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. Grizzly, great job this morning. Green Eyes, great job this morning.
Thanks.
I'm gonna go and go with the boys and enjoy New York. Had a busy day. But choose DOD. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you on the flip side, alright?
All right, we'll see.
God bless y'all. Peace. Bye, everybody. See you Monday.
Well, I don't really see anything else I like for a day trade. I was just sticking around to answer questions, but if that's all the questions, I'm going to call it a week. Undefeated. 0 losing trades this week. This may be the 3rd week, actually. So, we're due a losing trade, but like I said, it will be well managed when it happens. You too, Turnstile. Thanks, man. All right, everyone. Be sure you hit the follow button live every day. So, I'll get to the DM as soon as I get off here for you all. Thank you. Appreciate you all for showing up.